Hi, everybody. It's Ms. Salazar, and welcome to Health Class. Today is February 25th, 2021, and the topic for today is Stay Safe from Bullies and Gangs. Now, what is a bully and what are some types of bullying? Look at this picture. We have a kid in the middle, right? And he looks really sad, and the rest of the kids, they look like they're picking on him, like they're making fun of him. And what is a bully? What is a bully? Well, a bully is a person who tries to make you feel afraid. So a bully could be a boy or a girl, it could be one person, or it could be a group of people. In this case, it's a group of people. And bullies, they want to make you feel afraid. They want to intimidate you. They want to make you feel uncomfortable. But what are some types of bullying? Well, teasing and fighting. In this case, it looks like this group of people, these kids, they're teasing him. So teasing is when someone makes fun of you, when someone um tries to say really harmful things to you. That's teasing. And then fighting is when, they get into a physical fight. And those are just some types of bullying. And remember, a bully could be a boy or a girl, and a bully is always going to try to make you feel afraid. That's what the bully wants. The bully wants to make you feel uncomfortable. The bully wants to make you feel afraid of that person or this group of people. And they're going to do that by either fighting you, hitting you, saying names to you, making fun of you. That's what they want, and that's what they're going to do. Those are bullies. Now, what about gangs? What is a gang? And over here, you guys have pictures of some real life gangs. And what do you notice about these pictures? What do they have in common? What do they have in common? Look at their clothes. What are they doing? So this picture in this gang, all of them are wearing black. In this picture, we have people that are wearing some red. And then over here, we have people that are wearing black and yellow. So one of the first things that tells you that it's a possible gang, that these people belong to a possible gang, is their clothes, right? It's by looking at their clothes because they're going to color code. They're going to wear sort of like the same colors. So these group of people, right, they're wearing yellow and black. They are wearing red, and all of them are wearing black. Another thing, look at their faces. Some of their faces are covered. And also in this picture, some of their faces are covered. Well, actually, all of their faces are covered. Well, in this picture, his face is covered, right? But another thing that they have in common is that they like to cover their faces with bandanas, right? And again, they're going to use bandanas that are the color of the gang. So if they're using red, they're going to use red bandanas. If their color is black, they're going to use bandanas that are black. So that's another thing. And look at their hands. Look at their hands. Some of them are making hand signals, hand signs, and then others are, what are they holding? They're holding like weapons, chains, a hammer, right? So they're either going to hold a weapon or they're going to make some like really weird hand signals and hand signs. So those are things that tells you that this group of people belong to a gang. But what is a gang? Well, a group of people who harm others. That's what they do. It's a group of people and they harm others, okay? And you have to stay away from them because they are extremely, extremely dangerous. And it's a group of people, right? So they're going to be a lot stronger than you because you're only one person and look at how many they are. There's a bunch of them. And some gangs are really, really huge. Some gangs have more than 20 people in them. So you always have to try to stay away from gangs, ignore them. But those are little signs that tells you that this group of people belong to a gang by the clothes that they're wearing, if they're like color coding, if they're doing like really weird hand signs, if they have weapons. Those are gangs. It's a group of people who harm others. Now let's see. It says, have you ever been teased? Have you ever teased anyone yourself? Teasing is a kind of bullying. A bully is someone who tries to make you feel afraid. A bully might use words, a bully might use fists, Bullying hurts. It can make you scared. Here are some ways you can stay safe from bullies. Tell a teacher, parent, or guardian. Walk away. This is really important. Always walk away. Tell him or her you will not fight. Ask your friends to help you talk to the person who is bullying you. So always, always, always walk away from the situation. Always tell your friends or a teacher, a guardian, your parents, the school counselor. Always tell someone. Don't stay silent. Don't take the bullying. You don't deserve bullying, okay? Tell on this person because it's not right. It's not acceptable. Now let's see. Over here it says a gang is a group of people who harm others. Some gang members do not follow laws. They may carry guns, they may get into fights. To be safe, stay away from gangs. Say no if someone asks you to join a gang. Exactly, like I said, they're going to hold weapons. Now, some of them may hold guns, others may hold hammers or like really long sticks or even chains. So you always have to stay away from them because they're going to harm people. That's what they do, okay? And you don't know if they're going to harm you. And always, always stay away from them. And if you get asked to join a gang, always say no. Now let's see. What should you do if a bully bothers you? What should you do? Well, you should walk away, tell an adult. Always tell an adult and always walk away. Always be the better person, okay? Never give in. Never. Now, what is cyberbullying? This is different. So, what is cyberbullying? Well, cyber means online. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place online over cell phones, computers, and tablets. And how do you know it is cyberbullying? Well, people send or they post information that is false, mean, or it's negative about someone. And here you have an example. So, this girl, she's using her laptop and she's looking at the comments. People are making comments about her and they're saying you're a loser, you have no friends, no one likes you, you are ugly, you're fat. All of those comments are mean and they're negative about someone, and that is called cyberbullying. So never, ever, ever do that to someone, okay? Always think before you type. Always think before you're going to write something mean about someone. Try to put yourself in their shoes, okay? Don't treat others the way you don't want to be treated. Always be kind. And if you don't want to say, if you're not going to say something nice about someone, don't say anything at all. Okay, because that is called cyberbullying. When you bully someone online over like social media, it could be Facebook, it could be other types of social media like Twitter, right? And I know you guys you probably don't have any type of social media, but if you see something like that, then you should recognize that that is called cyberbullying and you should tell someone, you should tell an adult. Now, you guys have these two videos in LMS that you're supposed to watch. This video is about bullying, and then this one is about cyberbullying. Remember that cyber means online. Bullying, so it's going to be online bullying, cyberbullying. Now, this is going to be your assessment. It is worth 5 points, and you're supposed to send this to LMS and PDF, and you have until March the 5th to send this. And it says staying away from bullies, and it's going to be page 60 from your workbook. Page 60. And it says these children are staying safe from bullies. Write the rule that tells how they are staying safe. So, number one, number two, and number three, we have some bullying going on, right? And these kids, they're staying safe from bullying. So what exactly are they doing to stay safe from these people that are bullying them? And you're gonna write what they are doing what they are doing in order to stay safe. Okay, that's gonna be your assessment. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Bye, everybody.